Virginia's new gun laws take effect July 1st, and today Attorney General Jay Jones outlined how the state plans to enforce a big change in the state's firearm policy.
But some jurisdictions say they won't enforce it. Fox 5's Tom Fitzgerald is live at Arlington's courthouse. Fitz, what's the reasoning behind this? I mean, how can they just come out and say, we won't enforce it?
It's a new law, Shamari. Good afternoon. Attorney General Jay Jones in Richmond today saying that these new laws are designed to reduce illegal gun trafficking. And he says hold the firearm industry responsible. And he says this would open the ability for law enforcement officials to actually charge gun dealers if the guns purchased from those companies are used in the commission of the crimes. Advocates say this will only open the door to a Pandora's box of lawsuit. They say it's unconstitutional. Under House Bill 21 and Senate Bill 27, which were passed by the Virginia General Assembly, firearm industry members must now comply with what the law calls reasonable controls to prevent straw purchases, gun thefts, and illegal trafficking. The law also allows the Attorney General of Virginia, local governments, and individuals who suffer harm to file civil lawsuits against companies accused of contributing to a public nuisance.
This law reflects a simple principle. When gun industry actors act negligently and cause harm through irresponsible or unlawful practices, they should be held accountable. Accountability is not a radical idea.
Now, Fitz, you spoke with opponents of this new law, right? I guess my question is, what are they saying about it, and what do they intend to do?
Well, as you might expect, gun rights advocates do not like this. They do not like it one bit. The NRA told us today that they view this as, you know, if there was a car dealer and somebody bought a car and got a DUI, that would open the door for the car dealer to be accused of the crime. They say they are going to pursue legal action in the courts to stop this law. Some law enforcement officials and Commonwealth attorneys throughout the Commonwealth of Virginia as well say they're not going to enforce this. And some of the critics include, you know, people like the sheriff of Culpeper, who said in his view there were things that you don't mess with in Virginia, things like dogs, guns, and baseball. Shamari?